Good morning, students. In the last class, I teach you about regrouping, right? So today we'll do some questions on regrouping. Okay? So my dear students, open page number 86. Okay, see exercise 2. So here we have to add these numbers. Okay, so we'll follow the method of regrouping. Okay, now see A part. So while adding, we will always start from the ones place value, right? So the last digit was the ones place value, so we'll start from this place. Okay, so 9 plus 8, it will be how much? 9 plus 8, yeah, 9 plus 8, it will be 17, right? But we know that we can't place two digits together, right? Because in ones place, single digit we can place, right? So that's why we'll write 7 in the ones place, and this one where we will write, we'll give it to the tens place. Okay, this is what regrouping. Okay, so now in tens place, three numbers are there, 1, 4 and 3, right? So 1 plus 4, it will be how much? 5. 5 plus 3, 8. So we'll write 8 here. Okay, now see the 100 place value. So 3 and 8 is there. So 3 plus 8, it will be how much? 11, right? So we'll place 1 here and another one. 11 is there, right? Last digit, we'll place it there, and this one digit, where we will place? Yeah, to the next place value, right? So here the next place value is what? 1000, right? But there though 1000, only one is there and no number is there, right? So we'll write only 1. Okay, or I can say, if in front of any place number, that means in the tens place value, okay, if 100 place value is not there, then we can put two digits together, right? And if 1000 place is not there, then in 100 place we can place two digits together. Okay, now see B part. So here also we'll start from ones place value. So 4 plus 4, it will be how much? 8, right? Okay, now see the tens place value. 4 plus 6, it will be how much? 4 plus 6, 10, right? But what we will do, we'll write only 0 here, right? And we'll write this one in the next place value, that is the 100 place value. So now in 100 place value, 3 digits are there, or I can say 3 numbers are there, not digits. So 1, 4 and 8, right? So 1 plus 4, it will be how much? 5. 5 plus 8, 13, right? So we'll write 13 here. Okay, now see the C part. So 6 and 7 is there. So 6 plus 7, it will be how much? 13. So now we'll write 3 in the ones place, and this one we will write here, because we can't write two digits together in ones place. Okay, now in tens place also 1 and 3 is there and 0 is there, so we'll add first of all 1 plus 3. It will be how much? 4. 4 plus 0, 4 only, so we'll write 4 here. Okay, next 100 place value, you just see 5 and 6 is there, so 5 plus 6, it will be how much? 11, right? So 11, 1 we will write here, and another one will give it to 1000 place value, right? But here in 1000 place value no number is there, only 1 is there, so we'll write 1 directly. Okay, so our number is what? 1143. Okay, so now I hope you have understood how you have to do regrouping, okay, while adding. So one more I will do, T part. So see, 0 plus 0, it will be how much? 0 only, so we'll write 0 here. Now 6 plus 6, it will be how much? 12, right? So 2 we will write here, and this one will write here. So now in 100 place 1, 6 and 9 is there. So 1 plus 6, it will be how much? 7. 7 plus 9, it will be how much? 16, right? So now 6 will write here, this one will give it here in the 1000 place value. So in 1000 place value only 1 is there, so we'll write 1 here. Okay, this is how you have to do this one. Okay, so now what you will do, you will do E, F, G, H in your classwork copy. Okay, I hope you have understood how you have to regroup these numbers. Okay, okay, now see this part, I part. So here in this question it is given 559 children bought books from a school bookshop on the first day. 463 children bought books on the second day. How many children bought books in the 2 days? So this much of children bought books on the first day, and this much of students bought books on the second day. And here it is asking about how many children bought books in the 2 days. Okay, together if we add the 2 days together, how many children are there? Okay, so here we'll do addition, right? So let's see what will be the answer. Okay, so now see, this much of children bought books on the first day, and this much of children bought books on the second day. So now we'll add these two. So 9 plus 3, it will be how much? 12, right? So we'll write 2 here, and this one will give it here, right? Now 1 plus 5, it will be how much? 6. 6 plus 6, it will be 12, right? Again 12. So again we'll write 2 here and this one here. Okay, now let's see the 100 place value. So 1, 5 and 4 is there. So 1 plus 5, it will be how much? 6, right? 6 plus 4, 10, right? So now 0 will place here and 1 will give it to the 1000 place value. So in thousand place value only 1 is there, so we can write 1 here directly. Okay, so total how many children are there? 1022 children are there. Okay, so 1022 children bought books in the 2 days. Okay. Okay, now see the next one. J. There are 663 horses and 527 cows in a farm. How many animals are there in a farm? So this much of horses are there and this much of cows are there, right? So total how many animals are there? So what we will do here? We'll do addition, right? So we'll add these two numbers and let's see what will be the answer. So this much of horses are there and this much of cows are there in the farm. So total how many animals are there? Let's see. So now we'll add the ones place value, right? So 3 plus 7, it will be how much? 3 plus 7, it will be 10, right? So we'll write 0 here and we'll put this one, the next place value, that is tens, right? Now see in the tens place value, 3 numbers are there, 1, 6 and 2. So we'll add these 3 numbers. So 1 plus 6, it will be how much? 7. 7 plus 2, 9. So we'll write 9 here. Okay. Now see the 100 place value. So 6 plus 5, it will be how much? 11, right? So we'll write this one here and the another one in the 1000 place value. So in 1000 place value only 1 is there, so we'll write directly here. Okay, so total how many animals are there? 1190 animals are there. Okay. Okay students, so this much only for today. I hope you have understood this one. So I and J, this one also you have to do in your copy. Okay, and I will give you the answer for I and J. But E, F, G, H, this 4 you have to do it by yourself. Okay.